Okay, see here. This is a hydraulic hose. You can see. Okay, this is a different side. Here. Okay, this is a hydraulic hose. So for the hose assembly, you need to do like this. Choose the correct size of the hose and the correct size of the fittings, the ferrules and the correct size of the fittings, and then post them like this way. After that, put them into the height of the machine, and then the crimping job is doing. After the crimping job, you will get the hose assembly, like this way. You can see this is the hose assembly. You get very beautiful hose